I'm going to finish up this no-dig garden, and that's my plan for the gardening today. We're at mid-February, and so I really want to get this set up and ready so that I can garden in it this spring. So here we go. So if you watched my last video, you saw where I laid down the cardboard where I wanted to set up this new garden bed. So I'm just coming back in now and filling in some of the gaps to make sure I can suppress some of the weeds and grass that could grow through. And right now I'm just going around along the edge and pulling up some grass and weeds that have kind of broken through. Just a little cleanup. I accept that I'll probably have to stay on top of this through the growing season, but just want to get a nice start and get this cleaned up a little bit. And once I get this cleaned up along the edge, you'll see where I have the cardboard all laid out and set up the way I want it. And now I'm going to get ready to spread on the topsoil. So I bought a few bags of topsoil. I'm spreading this out, and I get to a point where I'm like, I don't think I have enough topsoil, which is always the case. I seem to get less than what I need. So I got to head out to the store and pick up some more topsoil. As per usual, I've miscalculated. So ignore the junk in the back seat. A lot of it's related to gardening. So anyways, I'm on my way to go get some more topsoil. I think maybe about maybe 4 or 5 more bags ought to do it. And just in case, I'm also going to get one more bag of compost, because I have 3 bags of compost in the back seat, and I'm more concerned about the compost. The topsoil, I just need like a thin layer of topsoil. The compost is really what I need to grow into. So I'm going to pick up one more bag of compost, maybe 2, just to make sure I have enough, and then I'm going to mulch over it. I'm not so much concerned about the mulch because I have leaf mulch all around my yard if I have to fill in with anything. So I'll be back. And just like that, I'm back home. I got 4 more bags of topsoil, and I did go ahead and pick up 2 more bags of compost. So I'm only trying to get in about, I don't know, maybe 1 inch or 2 of topsoil, lay in the compost, a few inches of compost, and then put some mulch over top of it. And then I hope that that'll be it. So now I am confident with the amount of topsoil I purchased. So I'm laying this in, and what will happen over time is that cardboard is going to sort of compost down. So I put some bricks that I have collected from around the house, and to sort of create a border, which I'll have to build back up, coming in with some more of that compost or some compost and raking that through, and then walking over it to just sort of compress it a little bit. So I'm just trying to work that down, get that laid up and set up. And then once I'm done with that, I'll lay over some mulch and then just sort of let it sit. Now, I didn't water it because I knew that we were going to be getting some rain. So I just allowed that free rain to come and do the watering and save on my water bill. And then I'm going to get it set up to grow into for the spring. So just leveling out the mulch here and getting it prepped and ready. And so this is the final look. This is how it looks so far. And I am excited to grow in it.